Very good morning, all of you. I hope you all are well. So I'm just going to send you the notes. So this is chapter number 3, question answer. I have sent you in the group. Please write down all the answers on your computer fair notebook. Okay? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now what should I do now? Yesterday we have discussing the page margin and different types of things. Right. Right. What is page margin? What is line spacing? Everything. Right. Now I'm just going to tell you how to give 3D effects of an object. हम ऑब्जेक्ट में 3D इफेक्ट कैसे देते हैं MS वर्ड में, राइट? Do you know the what is 3D effect? बहुत अब बच्चे सब आ रहे हैं, एक साथ ज्वाइन हो रहे हैं. The thing is, question is how to give 3D effect. 3D इफेक्ट कैसे देते, ठीक है? तो सबसे पहले बात करते हैं, MS वर्ड खोलते, राइट? MS वर्ड में खोलता हूं और स्क्रीन में शेयर कर देता हूं आपसे. Look, this is MS Word. You can see that. This is MS Word.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if I want to make a 3D effect, then first of all, I will draw any figure. Suppose in my case, I will go to Insert tab and go to Shape. Now I'm draw this. Now go to Shape Effect. And you can find it 3D. You can find it 3D. So now okay. So this is how we have to give the 3D effects. You can see that it looks 3D, right? Can you find the 3D effect? Can you see the 3D effect, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
You can see that. You will see the length, width, and height separately with the help of this 3D effect. Got it?
Yes, sir.
I will take one more figure.
Yes, sir.
Suppose like this. Okay. Now go to the shape style group and go to the shadow. Suppose I will make the shadow as this. This is the shadow. This is, and also the reflection. I will increase the width and height of the 3D format. You can see that. टॉप से बढ़ा दे रहे हैं, बॉटम से बढ़ा देते हैं, एंड क्लोज कर देते हैं। ये देखिए 3D इफेक्ट आ गया बच्चों। इसको चाहो तो रोटेट भी कर सकते हो। ये देखिए रोटेट हो गया। कैन यू सी द 3D इफेक्ट स्टूडेंट्स?
Sir. Yes, sir.
You can easily observe the 3D effect of the objects. So what you have to do in the style shape, first go to the insert tab, make any figure, and once the figure is prepared, you have to go to the format tab. I'm making one more 3D effect. I'm deleting this thing. Suppose I want to make one more 3D effect. So what should I do now? What should I do now? First of all, go to insert tab, draw some figure. Suppose I just make this triangle. Okay, once I make this triangle, you know the format tab is come. So now I have changed the color. After that I have to put some shadow. Okay. Once the shadow is prepared, prepare the edge. Sorry. Now I just go to the 3D format. So first of all, click here only. Now I have three options: top, bottom, depth. Okay. So now I just increase the depth at suppose this one, and height as well. Similarly, this 14. This is also 14. Got it? And now for the contrast of depth, you will find it very difficult. I'll just change the color as well, right? I'll give it materialistic feel. Now you can see it is 3D now. Now I have to rotate this as well. Look, can you see the 3D effect, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you see this?
Yes,
Huh?
sir.
Do you have any doubt right now how to make the 3D effects?
Sir, एक बार फिर से करिए.
Sorry, beta, your voice is not coming. Please speak louder, or anyone talk instead of him. What is trying to say? Beta, please speak louder.
सर एक बार फिर से करिए, मुझे समझ
फिर से करते हैं. चलिए ठीक है, मैं फिर से करके दिखाता हूँ. देखिए सबसे पहले मैं किसको हटा देता हूँ. What should I do now? Go to the insert tab. Go to the shape.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I take this rectangle type of shape. Got it? Now what should I do now? I'm going to select suppose color. Suppose take this color. First of all, I am going to go to the side shape and effect and rotate this. Students, do you feel any 3D effect? आपको 3D effect दिखाई दे रहा है कुछ? ये बताइए.
नहीं सर.
नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है ना. फॉर्मेट टैब में गया, मैंने यहाँ पे 3D इफेक्ट ये देखा. देखिए मुझे 3D इफेक्ट नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है. जब मुझे 3D इफेक्ट दिखाई नहीं दे रहा तो मुझे 3D इफेक्ट डालना पड़ेगा ना. तो मैं क्या करता हूँ, यहाँ पे आता हूँ मोर पे, और यहाँ पे आते हैं 3D फॉर्मेट में. यहाँ पे करो 20 पिक्सल्स और यहाँ पे कर दो 20 पिक्सल्स, बॉटम में भी कर दो 20 पिक्सल्स और हाइट में भी कर दो 20 पिक्सल्स पॉइंट्स, ठीक है। इसके अलावा इसका जो फील है मटेरियलिस्टिक कर दो एंड दैट्स इट। कैन यू सी दिस? नाउ यू कैन फील इट द 3D इफेक्ट ना? 3D इफेक्ट दिखाई दे रहा है
Yes,
आपको?
sir. Yes, sir.
Got it? Any doubt? I'm talking to you again, students. Do you have any doubt right now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Confirm.
No, sir. No, sir. No problem.
No, sir.
Okay. Now the last topic is how to change the position of an object of an image. That means, what is the meaning of changing position of an object? That means we can place an object or image at different position anywhere within the text. That means this makes your document more attractive and enhance its presentation. I will tell you how you will do this. Suppose I will make some presentation right now. I'm just give me a moment. Okay. Suppose I just make some documentary. Suppose I'm just taking some data from lorem ipsum, some dummy data. Just wait for a moment. And first of all, change the layout. I will make it as margin as normal, and orientation would be portrait. And now, what should I do now? What should I do now? I will first go to Wikipedia and put some data. Suppose I will take this data like COVID, okay. So I'm just taking the data from the COVID. So I'm just wait for a moment. COVID Wikipedia wiki. I'm just taking the data from the Wikipedia. Okay. Now Virat Pant, behave yourself. Right now I'm just copy the data from the Wikipedia. From some extent, I just copy it. And okay. Now, what should I do now? Okay. Now, what should I do now? I just paste this thing. I just paste it now. So that means I have pasted this thing. Okay. Can you see that? This is I have pasted this thing. I'm just
Yes, sir.
making the layout as single one only. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
देखिए मैंने डेटा डाल दिया, ठीक है।
COVID.
अब मुझे सब
COVID-19
इमेज डालनी, क्या डालनी, कोई इमेज डालनी, ओके। कोविड की कोई इमेज मुझे डालनी है, तो मुझे इमेज डालने में प्रॉब्लम आएगी। सपोज मैं क्या करता हूँ, मैं कोई इमेज डाउनलोड कर लेता हूँ अभी। सपोज देखिए स्क्रीन में मैं एक आपको जो कोविड वायरस की स्क्रीन दी गई है, मैं इनमें से कोई वायरस की इमेज डाउनलोड कर लेता हूँ अपने टेक्स्ट में लगाने के लिए, ठीक है। मैं इमेज को अपनी यूज करूंगा, ठीक है। मैं यहाँ जाता हूँ, सेव इमेज पे जाता हूँ और मैं इमेज को सेव कर लेता हूँ। किस नाम से? कोविड के नाम से। देखिए डाउनलोड फोल्डर में सेव हो रही है कोविड के नाम से, कोविड के नाम से सेव हो रही है, COVID, ओके। Got it. Now what should I do now? What should I do now? I will open this again of my document. Suppose I want to put image here only from the right side, but if I'm trying to do this, I have found some problem. Suppose I have insert the image. I go to the insert tab, go to the pictures. The folder will be open. Then in the download folder, what should I do now? I'll go to the COVID, and now you will see the image. हो गया? Look, you will find it very difficult to move. Okay, you will find it very difficult to move. Got it? So now what we have to do? Go to the format. Go to the format. What you have to do? You have to make the position. You have to make the position. I want it in the right side, right? When the position tab, you will make it very easy. Look, can you see this? It become very
Yes, sir.
comfortable now. Can you see this, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
You can
sir.
say you can use the position for position area position to make it very comfortable. Now we have to change it again. Suppose we have to want to make some more changes. Suppose what should I do now? Suppose I just want to change the position as well. Again, change the position. Go to the position tab and go to the right side. You can see that. You can see how easily it can change the position. Can you see this thing, students? Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
So this is how you have to change the position of the text of the picture of an object. Okay. So first of all, go to the format tab and go to the position option. Then you will easily change the position. Okay. Now, what should we do now? What should we do now? Now we have to complete this chapter now. Now we have to move to the exercises. Okay. Open page number 40. Just wait for a moment, students. Just give me a minute. Actually, my battery is discharged now.
एक मिनट रुकिएगा.
Sorry. Now, what should we do now? What should we do now? Let's start MCQ. Okay, page number 40. Page number 40. I have already sent you the question answers, right?
Yes, sir. Question answer आ गए.
Now, बुक में टिक कर लीजिएगा. MCQ पेज नंबर 40 खोलिए.
सर खोल रहे हैं.
First one is एक पिक्चर बनी हुई छोटी सी. is the icon of, ये किसका आइकन बना हुआ है? पेज नंबर 40 में बताइए बच्चों. 3 ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं.
सर पोजीशन.
ऑप्शन नंबर ए पोजीशन का. किसका?
पोजीशन का सर.
Got it. Question number 2. Line spacing is present in which group? किस ग्रुप में होती है? टेक्स्ट ग्रुप में, स्टाइल ग्रुप में और पैराग्राफ ग्रुप में. किस ग्रुप में होती है लाइन स्पेसिंग? बताइए.
टेक्स्ट वाले ग्रुप में. सर टेक्स्ट वाले ग्रुप.
No, it's not present in text group. It is paragraph. It is the paragraph. Okay. B. Paragraph. Third is omega is present in this which tab? Home tab, insert tab, view tab.
होम.
Home. Yeah, this is a symbol tab. Single group symbol group is present in the which tab? बताइए बच्चों. होम tab मैंने कल ही बताया था शायद.
Yes, sir.
किस टैब में?
होम टैब.
होम टैब कौन बोल रहा है बेटा? इट इज प्रेजेंट इन द इंसर्ट टैब. विच टैब? इंसर्ट टैब.
इंसर्ट टैब. इंसर्ट टैब.
गॉट इट.
यस सर.
Fourth one is portrait and landscape are the two types of what? Page orientation, page spacing, or none of these. Portrait and landscape
Page
are two types of what? मैंने अभी कुछ देर पहले बताया था. ये क्या है? पेज ओरिएंटेशन है, पेज स्पेसिंग है, कि इनमें से कुछ नहीं है?
Page spacing.
ऑप्शन नंबर ए, इट इज पेज ओरिएंटेशन. पेज orientation. Got it? Page orientation.
Yes, sir.
D in 3D क्या? जो D है वो 3D में क्या बताता है आपको? डायमेंशन, डायगोनल और डिवाइस.
Device.
नो, D is a dimension.
So diagonal.
D क्या है? डायमेंशन है. It is a dimension. Dimensional. Okay. Sixth one. Control plus is a shortcut used to save. ऐसे?
Save.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
हो गया? चलो ठीक है. Got it? Now,
sir. Yes, sir.
सभी बच्चे
Yes,
मुझे
sir.
टिक करके बुक में भेजेंगे जल्दी से. जल्दी भेजिए मुझे ग्रुप में.
I have taken.
जल्दी भेजिए. मुझे सब बच्चे टिक करके बुक में जल्दी भेजिए. Send me fast. Okay. जल्दी भेजिए सभी बच्चे. What are you doing now? चलिए ठीक है. ठीक. और बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं? 60D वाले क्या कर रहे हैं? Send it fast.
सेशन कर रहे हैं.
Good. चलिए ठीक है.
Sir, send कर दिया.
Now move to the filling the blanks. Filling the blanks, page number 41. Filling the blanks, FIB. Fill in the blanks. The first one is dash is the amount of space before and after the paragraph. Dash is the margin. इसका आंसर क्या होगा? Margin.
Margin.
Margin is the या paragraph spacing. इसका आंसर होगा paragraph spacing.
Yes, sir.
Paragraph graph spacing. Got it? The second
Yes,
is
sir. Yes, sir.
line spacing option is present on which tab? Line spacing
Format
option is
tab,
present
sir.
on
Home tab.
Huh?
Sir,
Home
format
tab.
tab. Format.
home tab.
Home tab, sir.
Third is rotation is 3D present in format tab.
Format.
Fourth, last but not least, you can also
Color.
change the shadow dash to enhance your document appearance. Shadow color. शेडो का कलर भी हम लोग चेंज कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. तो बच्चों ये FIB
sir.
आपकी कंप्लीट हो गई. प्लीज राइट डाउन. Please write down on your
कर
book as
लिया।
well.
सर अभी मेरा नहीं हुआ।
मैं कर लीजिए, आराम से लिख लीजिए जल्दी से। मैं भेज दे रहा हूँ विकी। ओके, गॉट इट, वेरी गुड। नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू
कंप्लीट।
टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन।
Yes, sir.
सर
आ रहे रुको। टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शंस। टिक। द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। सबसे पहला है when you insert a word or text, view tab automatically appears. When you insert a text box, insert a word or text, the view tab automatically appears. बताइए गलत, ट्रू और फॉल्स?
सर ट्रू। मैंने तो वही देखा तुमने मुझे हिसाब बराबर।
फॉल्स, दिस इज फॉल्स।
Sir, false. Sir, false.
ये तो भेजी तो थी।
सेकंड, symbols are added using insert tab. Symbols can be added using insert tab. Yes,
Yes, sir.
True.
True. Yes, sir. True.
third one, you can draw as many as line and arrow in your document. True.
Yes, sir.
Fourth,
So that is
portrait
true.
and landscape are the 2-page paragraph steps. False.
False, sir.
Fifth one, Control plus Z is used to undo action.
Sir, true. Sir, true.
False.
Yes, sir.
Sixth, you cannot set margin in MS Word document. You cannot set page margins. True. ये false है. False है ये, false. हम लोग margin set कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? इसको write down कर लीजिए अपने book में और मुझे send करिए, ठीक है? Just now. हो गया? चलिए नोट डाउन कर लिया बच्चों?
यस सर।
चलिए,
सर
हाँ तो ये
Yes,
सारी
sir.
नोटबुक में करके और क्वेश्चन आंसर करके सारी चीजें नोटबुक में करनी है आपको, है ना? करके मुझे सारा वर्क सेंड करिए, ठीक है? इस तरीके से आपका चैप्टर फिनिश। चलिए, थैंक यू क्लास। मैं यूट्यूब पे रिकॉर्डिंग भेज दूंगा। थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.